Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually parked your car in your garage? For many of us, the garage has turned into a catch-all space, overflowing with boxes, tools, sports gear, holiday decorations, and who knows what else. It's often the most forgotten and cluttered room in the house. But here's the truth, even the tiniest garage has the potential to be more than just a messy storage unit. With the right design tricks and a little organization, your garage can become one of the most functional, stylish, and organized spaces in your entire home. And the best part? You don't need a massive budget or a professional contractor. With some smart storage solutions and creative layout ideas, you can completely transform your garage into a space that actually works for you. Whether that means making room for your car, creating a mini workshop, or simply having a place where everything has its spot. So in today's video, I'm sharing 12 powerful storage and design secrets that will help you reclaim your garage. From wall-mounted systems to ceiling storage, foldable workbenches, and even floor upgrades, these ideas are designed to work for any garage size. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see your garage in a whole new light. Let's dive in and start with secret number 1. Secret 1. Vertical wall storage. When space is tight, the best direction to go is up. Vertical wall storage is one of the smartest ways to maximize every inch of your garage. Instead of letting tools, bikes, or boxes pile up on the floor, consider installing slat walls, wall-mounted racks, or heavy-duty hooks. These solutions keep everything visible and easy to grab while instantly freeing up floor space. For example, imagine hanging your garden tools, ladders, and even bicycles on the wall. Suddenly, your garage feels bigger and more open. And the great part is, you can customize these systems as your needs change. Add more hooks, move shelves around, or expand the system as your storage grows. This simple change can turn bare walls into highly functional storage zones, without spending a fortune. Secret 2. Ceiling storage racks. If your garage feels too small, look up, you'll often find a lot of unused ceiling space. Ceiling-mounted racks are perfect for storing items you don't use every day, like holiday decorations, camping gear, or seasonal clothing bins. These racks are strong, safe, and designed to hold heavy items without getting in the way. By keeping bulky boxes overhead, you'll clear up valuable floor and wall space. A smart tip: use clear plastic bins with labels so you can easily see what's inside without digging through everything. Ceiling racks may sound complicated, but many DIY-friendly options are available. You can install them in just a few hours and instantly feel the difference in space. Think of it as adding an extra attic right above your car. Secret 3. Smart shelving units. Shelving is a classic garage storage solution, but in 2025, it's all about smart shelving systems. Instead of fixed shelves, go for adjustable units that can grow with your needs. Maybe today you need space for paint cans, but tomorrow you want to store taller items like coolers or toolboxes. Adjustable shelves let you make it work without buying something new. For a polished look, try mixing open shelves for frequently used items with closed cabinets for messier or less attractive storage. This combination keeps your garage looking organized, not overwhelming. Whether you go for sturdy metal shelving or sleek built-in wood units, smart shelving ensures everything has a home, and your garage stops looking like a storage jungle. Secret 4. Pegboards for tools. Now, let's talk about one of the most affordable yet game-changing storage ideas: pegboards. A pegboard instantly transforms a messy pile of tools into a neat, organized display. You can hang hammers, screwdrivers, wrenches, scissors, pretty much anything you need within reach. And the best part is, you can customize it endlessly. Add hooks, small shelves, or baskets depending on what you store. It's not just for tools either. Pegboards can hold craft supplies, sports gear, or even gardening equipment. This solution is especially great if you're the kind of person who always misplaces small items. With a pegboard, everything has its spot, no more digging through drawers or boxes. It's simple, affordable, and makes your garage feel instantly more professional. Secret 5. Foldable workbench. If you love DIY projects but don't have room for a full-sized workbench, a foldable wall-mounted workbench is the perfect solution. When you need it, you fold it down and have plenty of space to work on repairs, crafts, or hobbies. When you're done, you simply fold it back up against the wall, taking up almost no space at all. Pair this with wall storage above the bench for tools and supplies, and you'll have a compact workstation that's both efficient and clutter-free. It's the ideal secret for anyone who wants the functionality of a workshop without sacrificing precious garage space. Secret 6. Mobile storage carts. Another secret to transforming a tiny garage is mobility. Instead of locking everything into place, consider using mobile storage carts. These rolling carts are great for storing gardening supplies, painting tools, or cleaning products. When you need them, you roll the cart right to your workspace. When you're done, you tuck it neatly into a corner. Some carts even come with multiple tiers, drawers, or baskets, giving you plenty of flexibility to organize small items. And because they're movable, you can always rearrange your garage without heavy lifting or new installations. This little secret keeps your garage flexible, organized, and easy to adapt as your needs change. Secret 7. Labeled storage bins. One of the easiest ways to cut garage clutter is by using storage bins with clear labels. Most garages become a mess because everything gets tossed into random boxes. So when you need something, you spend forever digging. Instead, switch to clear plastic bins for visibility, or go the extra mile with color-coded bins. Blue for sports gear, green for gardening supplies, red for holiday decorations, and gray for tools. Add big, bold labels so even kids or guests know where things belong. Imagine how much time you'll save. No more hunting through 5 boxes to find Christmas lights or camping gear. Plus, labeled bins give your garage a uniform, organized look instead of random cardboard boxes falling apart. Secret 8. Built-in cabinet systems. If you want your garage to feel more like a finished room than a storage shed, built-in cabinets are a game changer. Unlike open shelves, cabinets let you hide messy items, like paint cans, cleaning supplies, or old tools, behind sleek doors. This instantly creates a clean, polished look. Modern garage cabinet systems often come in durable materials like powder-coated steel or moisture-resistant wood, so they last for years. Some even have lockable doors to keep dangerous items like chemicals or sharp tools safe from kids. Think of it this way. Cabinets don't just improve storage, they also make your garage feel like a professional workspace or showroom instead of a dumping ground. Secret 9. Bike and sports gear storage. For families with kids or anyone active, bikes and sports gear are usually the hardest to manage. They take up a ton of floor space and always end up in the way. That's where specialized storage systems shine. Wall-mounted hooks can hold bikes vertically, saving space. Ceiling-mounted hoists are great if you don't use your bikes every day. Just lift them up and out of the way. Sports gear can go into ball racks, mesh bags, or cubbies designed specifically for bats, helmets, and gloves. This way, the next time your kids need their soccer ball or baseball bat, it's right where it should be. No searching, no tripping hazards. It's all about turning chaos into easy-to-grab order. Secret 10. Multipurpose zones. A tiny garage can feel overwhelming when everything is mixed together: tools, sports gear, gardening stuff, holiday boxes. The fix? Create dedicated zones just like you would in a kitchen or office. For example, tool zone, with pegboards, a fold-down bench, and nearby shelves. Sports zone, wall hooks for bikes, bins for balls, and a rack for helmets. Garden zone, a corner with pots, soil, and hoses all together. Seasonal zone, ceiling racks or upper shelves for items you only use a few times a year. When you assign everything a zone, your garage feels less like a storage jungle and more like a well-organized store. You know exactly where to go for what you need. This system also prevents clutter from creeping back in over time. Secret 11. Lighting and bright colors. Here's a secret most people overlook. Good lighting can completely change how your garage feels. Most garages have a single dim bulb that makes the space feel gloomy. Replacing it with bright LED panels or strip lights instantly makes the garage more usable and welcoming. Pair that with light-colored walls or cabinets. White, light gray, or soft beige, and your garage will look twice as big. Even your storage bins and cabinets will pop against the lighter background, making things easier to find. And don't forget about task lighting. A bright strip above your workbench or under cabinets can make projects much easier and safer. With the right lighting, your garage goes from a dark storage corner to a bright, functional extension of your home. Secret 12. Floor upgrade. Last but not least, the floor. Most people ignore it, but upgrading your garage floor is one of the fastest ways to make the space feel brand new. Epoxy coatings are a popular choice. They resist stains, handle heavy use, and come in sleek finishes like granite look or metallic shine. If you prefer something quicker, interlocking PVC tiles or roll-out mats can instantly cover cracks or stains and add a clean, modern look. Besides looks, a floor upgrade also makes cleaning easier. Dust, oil, and dirt don't cling the way they do on plain concrete. And with non-slip finishes, it's safer too. Imagine walking into your garage and seeing not just organized shelves, but also a polished, durable floor. It feels like a completely different space. It's the finishing touch that transforms your garage from basic to brilliant. And there you have it, 12 storage and design secrets that can completely transform even the tiniest garage. From maximizing your walls and ceiling to upgrading lighting and flooring, these small changes add up to a huge difference. Your garage doesn't have to be a cluttered catch-all. It can be an organized, stylish, and functional space that works for your lifestyle. So tell me in the comments, which of these ideas will you try first? Are you more excited about adding ceiling racks, building a foldable workbench, or finally giving your floor that epoxy upgrade? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home design tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to turning your garage into one of the most useful rooms in your home.